Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Coastal Payroll account. But for those people who do not know what Coastal Payroll is, Coastal Payroll is the leading provider of fully outsourced payroll service, human resource, time management, and benefits administration, which means if you guys own a company, you can sign up for Coastal Payroll and it's going to help you manage your payroll service, human resource, time management, and other more stuff for your company and will make managing your employee efficient, all right? So in order to log in into a payroll account, just watch our video. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step for future videos like this. Let's move forward with today's video. First step, you want to go to your browser and search for Coastal Payroll login. Once you search for Coastal Payroll login, click on login.coastalpayroll. It's going to take you to the login page of Coastal Payroll. Once you're over here, you need to choose which division you want to log in into. If you're employers, then you want to click on iSolve under like the payroll system over here. And if you're a human resource, then you want to click on like these option over here from human resource, whichever option you are. And over here for time and labor, you want to choose from this column. And for self-service employee over here, you want to click on this. And for time and labor, you want to choose this over here. All right. So you have to choose from which column you want to log in into, because if you log in into a different account, then you can't. All right, because it's going to say your login details didn't match. So make sure to check which sector you want to log in into and log in into those. All right. So hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.